हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ क्लास 9 का सोशल स्टडी का चैप्टर 1 का ये लेसन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। इस लेसन का नाम एडवांस ऑफ द यूरोपियंस इनटू इंडिया। इस लेसन का शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ, आप लोग नोट कर लेना। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। 1. Who was the first Portuguese sailor to discover the sea road between India and the West? When and where in India did he arrive for the first time? Answer: Vasco da Gama was the first Portuguese sailor to discover the sea road between India and the West. Arrived at Calicut Port in India in 1498 for the first time. Second question: Who was the English sailor able to move around the earth through the sea route? Answer: Francis Drake was the English sailor able to move around the earth through the sea route. 3. Who was the English sailor who entered India for the first time and when? Answer: John Milne Hall was the English sailor who entered India first time with a petition letter at 1599 A. D. हम लोग का क्वेश्चन 4 में आ जाता है। When and where did the East India Company initially establish? Answer: The East India Company established at England 1600 AD A.D. And question 5. Write two objectives of the East India Company to permanently rule in India. Answer: A. To establish trade supremacy in India. B. To secure political dominance in India for affirming British hold over India. अब हम लोग आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन 6 पे। When and where in India was the first trade center of the English established? Answer: At Masulipatam in 1611. आप 7 में आ जाते हैं। क्वेश्चन 7. What is Fort William? Answer: Fort William is a first built in Calcutta in honor of William, three kings of India. The old name of Fort William was Calcutta for center. Question 8. Which were the two main divisions of the British administrative period of independent India? Answer: The British administrative period of independent India was divided into two main divisions. A. The first phase from the downfall of Mughal Empire around 1715 to the Sepoy Mutiny 1857. In this phase, the East India Company dethroned the Indian rulers, unified the scattered divisions, and start a central administration over the entire British India region. B. The second phase from 1858 to 1947, restoration of power to the House of Indians. In this phase, many important administrative reform on welfare measures were introduced in India by the British Crown. अब क्वेश्चन 9. Who, when, and with what objective was the Government of India Act executed? Answer. The Government of India Act was passed by the British Parliament 2 August 1858 with objective that the British Crown to ensure an alliance British administrative in India. Last question 10. When and with what objective was the Indian Councils Act accepted? Answer. The Indian Council Act was powered by the British Parliament 1869 with the objective to make the obsolete Indian family and with the administration which was based on the Government of India Act 1858. ये रहा आंसर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन का एसएसटी। बाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगने से लाइक कर देना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। बाय।